Las Vegas is famous for excitement and entertainment, but did you know that it's also one of the best places to retire? See, if you're looking for a safe, vibrant community that you can call home, stay tuned because today I'm sharing the top 55 plus communities in the Las Vegas Valley. These are places that my clients and other seniors absolutely love. Before we start, I'm Mitch Schwartz, your senior real estate focused specialist. I provide financial care and security for seniors going through a housing transition. And if you ever need me, my phone number is 702-303-0040. Now, choosing where to live during retirement is a really big decision. See, it not only affects your safety, it affects your happiness, it affects your social life, it affects your overall well-being. Now, here in Las Vegas, 55 plus communities are designed to meet the unique needs of active seniors, offering things like low maintenance yards, top-notch amenities, safety features, and a real sense of community. Now, why does it matter? The best communities in town actually fill up fast. There's always a demand. And if you want first pick of the very best houses and homes in these communities with all the great amenities, now is the best time to start your research. Don't wait. Hey, before we dive in, I'd really like to know what your must-have feature is in any community that you would consider. Do me a favor, just drop your must-have down in the comments below. I'd like to see how you respond and what people are thinking and engaging on regarding this very hot topic. First up on the list is the iconic Sun City Summerlin. It's the OG of the 55 plus communities in Las Vegas. It was built by Del Webb. It's the largest 55 plus community in all of Las Vegas with nearly 7,800 homes. And it's not just about the size, it's a lifestyle. There are 4 clubhouses, each of them with a pool, fitness centers, hobby rooms, restaurants. There are 3 18-hole golf courses, dozens of clubs, social activities from woodworking and ballroom dancing. And there are miles and miles of walking and biking trails with absolutely stunning mountain views. This is the perfect spot for active adults who want options. Whether it's hitting the gym, playing golf, or just hanging around with your friends enjoying the sunset with a nice cocktail in your hand at one of the restaurants, you can't go wrong with Sun City Summerlin. Next up, let's head over to Sienna, a luxury gated 55 plus community located in master plan Summerlin area. Sienna is known for stunning views of the Spring Mountains, a private 18-hole championship golf course, a 39,000 square foot community center with a ballroom, arts and crafts rooms, a full-service spa, and a fitness center. There are indoor and outdoor pools. Now, Sienna is a little bit more upscale, has a boutique feel. It's ideal if you're looking for a more private resort-type environment. Now, if you're seeking affordability without sacrificing the quality, Solera at Anthem in Henderson is a fantastic option. Some of the amenities include beautiful single-story homes that are perfect for aging in place, a welcoming, smaller community feel because there's only about 1,800 homes. You get a fitness center, an indoor pool, pickleball courts, and a cozy clubhouse. In addition, because of where it's located, you get access to the larger features that are offered by the Anthem Master Plan community, such as walking trails and scenic parks. In addition, Henderson consistently ranks as one of the safest cities in Nevada. That is another huge plus, especially for my clients. Want something brand new with modern touches? Heritage at Cadence is the newest 55 plus community located in the Henderson area. It is a community that is packed with super features that my friends Stephen and Rebecca absolutely love. If you're like my friends Stephen and Rebecca, you probably want something a little newer with modern touches. Heritage at Cadence is one of the newest 55 plus communities. It's also located in Henderson, and it's a community that's got features like modern, efficient, energy efficient homes with smart technology, a massive clubhouse, outdoor pools, indoor lap pool, gym, event spaces. It's even got walking and biking trails that connect to the Cadence Master Plan community area. There's a real focus on an active, connected lifestyle here, with 8 activities that range from yoga classes to tech workshops. This is perfect for retirees who want the latest with all the conveniences and to have a strong social calendar. Rounding out our list is Sun City Aliante, a hidden gem just north of the Strip. Sun City Aliante offers affordable, thoughtfully designed homes, a beautiful public golf course, a full-service community center with fitness, crafts, billiards. It's also got close access to shopping, restaurants, and medical centers, and it's ideally located near the Aliante Station Casino for those who enjoy that lifestyle. It's really ideal for those who want to stay close to city for conveniences, but still enjoy a peaceful, community-focused lifestyle. All right, if you could live in any of these 55 plus communities, which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. You see, choosing the right 55 plus community isn't just about picking a house. It's about choosing the lifestyle where you can thrive, stay safe, stay active, and stay connected. Las Vegas has so many incredible options, and the right fit is out there just waiting for you. Now, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, maybe hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Maybe somebody you know that might be starting their new chapter. The best years are ahead for all of us, and they deserve to be in the perfect home. Thanks for watching. If you have questions about buying, selling, or making a move to Las Vegas, and if you're a senior especially, feel free to give me a call, 702-303-0040. I'd love to be your trusted guide. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on senior living and real estate in the Las Vegas Valley. Have an amazing day.